YouTube, man, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little challenge. I'm gonna be making a beat using MIDI only. And to y'all, this might not be a challenge, but for me, I don't really use keyboard when I'm making beats. I know how to play the piano somewhat, but in today's video, I'm really going to be testing my skills, you feel me? So without further ado, I'm probably gonna show it like this. So I'm gonna be playing the keys and let's see how this go. I'm low key, I don't know, this could go good, this could go bad. I would never say it go bad, but let's get straight into the video, man. Let's just start off with a simple FL keys. I like to start with the FL keys. Okay, so let's do, this is really dusty because I haven't used it in a while, but let's get it. Here we go. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got some sample, man. Okay, now that we got that, we're just gonna add another pattern. But low-key, I wanna make that more bouncier. Alright, that's not bad. All I gotta do is quantize that. Boom. I'm gonna add some noob at this, man. I'm gonna need some bounce in there, like. Doom, doom, doom. One more time, one more time. One last time. I mean, it's still off beat, man. Well, shoot. I'm just gonna take these 808s off. And this is the beat, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, leave a like. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And yeah, man. It's been your boy Mark. I ain't gonna lie, I try my best to get that rhythm to go and work, bro. It's just not working for me tonight, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's late. I ain't gonna lie, usually I wouldn't do this. Usually I'll finish the video, but it is 11:50. It's about to be 12 a.m., man. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, leave a like. I'm trying to post a video every single day, man. Let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments. It's been your boy Mark. Like I said, deuces.